Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you what exactly Forex trading is, and later in the video, I'm going to be breaking it down to in a way that a basic beginner would actually understand what Forex trading is all about. So fundamentally, Forex is actually, or foreign exchange is actually the buying and selling of currencies. It is the biggest financial market that is decentralized. Now, for a beginner, what does that mean? What it simply means is that in Forex, what we do as traders is that we buy a currency with the anticipation that the currency is actually going to appreciate in value. Knowing that that currency is going to appreciate in value, we buy that currency and hold it with the anticipation that when it increases in value, we are going to sell it off back to the market. That's simply what Forex trading is all about. But the question, or the big question now for everyone who is coming into Forex trading, is having understood this basic understanding, the next thing is, how do I know when to buy and when to sell? That is where the education comes in. There are majorly two forms of analyzing the market where you can come to anticipating the market. Fundamental analysis is one of the method of trading, and it actually has to do with economic events. What I mean by economic events is there are major economic news about a country that actually determines the strength of the economy or the weakness of the economy. This will in turn directly affect the strength of that currency. One of these news that people pay attention to is the employment rate, the employment change, the GDP of the economy, the CPI, which is Consumer Product Index. All of these things are just a few things that people pay attention to, and when these news events actually come out from time to time, people pay attention to them. This news can be gotten on a couple of platforms. There are Forex Factory is one of the platforms, investing.com is one of the platforms. These are websites, and my FX book is also another platform. So all you need to do is actually go to any of these platforms, check the economic calendar, and then you're going to go through the news and see which one is about to come out. And there's a standard time globally when this news actually do come out, so you can pay attention to it and see if you want to trade the news. That is one aspect. The other method of analysis is actually the technical analysis, which is also the most popular, if I may. And the use of technical analysis is actually the drawing of lines on the charts. If you've seen those charts with a lot of lines, that's basically what technical analysis is, where you actually draw a line on a chart, and based on the performance of price, you anticipate that by the time price comes towards that same region again, it will actually repeat the same actions that happened previously. That's technical analysis. So what you need to do in Forex trading is simply find out how exactly can I understand what technical analysis is, how fundamental analysis works. Putting these two together will give you an edge. So my advice to anybody who wants to actually get into Forex trading is simply just find somebody who knows how to trade, learn exactly what the person does, to the point that the person will be the one to confirm to you that yes, you are getting exactly what I do. Having done that, then you can say that you want to, or you can now trade in the Forex market with your money. So that is my own advice. So, but moving forward, learning Forex trading requires a lot of dedication, I must tell you, and you need a lot of resources that are available, and a lot of resources are available on the internet. There are a lot of online courses, there are e-materials that you can actually use to actually improve your skill in trading. So you need to what my advice is actually to find a formal training where somebody exactly, or a company actually teaches you how to trade. And you can't learn how to trade in 2 weeks. You can't even learn how to trade in 2 months. I will tell you the truth. It's going to take you approximately 6 months of training back to back, if you want to hear the truth, before you can now say that you are making a headway enough to actually trade with real finances. So having said that, if you are interested in Forex trading, please subscribe to this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be releasing a lot of content that will enable you and give you the right direction on trading in the Forex market. See you in the next one.